So the recurrent sweep is irrespective of the sweep immediately at the end of the previous sweep. If the input is periodic, the sweep repetition can be adjusted to display a few cycles of the waveform. In triggered sweep, the waveform should be observed that cannot be predicted. The desired sweep remains inoperative. The sweep should be initiated by the waveform under the examination. In this case, we will use the triggered sweep. Driven sweep. The driven sweep is used when the sweep is free running, but it is triggered by a signal under the test. For test signal only, we will use the driven sweep. It is triggered either by a command given by the oscilloscope or the appearance of the processor. Non-sawtooth sweep is used to find the difference between the two voltages. By using the non-sawtooth sweep, we can compare the frequency of the input voltages. What is the purpose of synchronization? It is used to produce the stationary pattern. The synchronization is between the sweep and the signal should measure. Internal. What is the purpose of internal signal? In this, the signal is measured by a vertical amplifier and the trigger is upstrained by the signal. In the external trigger, the external signal should be present. The line trigger is produced by the power supply. What is the purpose of intensity modulation? By inserting the signal between the ground and the cathode. Okay, this modulation is the intensity modulation is produced by inserting the signal between the ground and the cathode. The modulation caused by brightening the display. Okay, when we are brightening the display, it is nothing but the intensity modulation is increased. By applying the small independent internal or direct voltage, we are changing the position control. Okay, so the position can be controlled by controlling the position of the signal. What is intensity control? The intensity has a difference by changing the grid potential with respect to the cathode. Okay. So what are the applications of CRO? The applications are, it is used for voltage measurement, current measurement, examination of waveform, measurement of phase and frequency. So what are the uses of CRO? It can display the different types of waveform. It can measure the short time interval. In voltmeter, it can measure the potential difference. Okay, so these are the things we have seen. So we have seen detailedly what is CRO, what are the different types of blocks present in the CRO, what are the different types of sweeps, the four types of sweep. We have seen what are four types: recurrent sweep, triggered sweep, driven sweep, non-sawtooth sweep, and what is the function of synchronization, internal line, intensity modulation, positioning control, intensity control. Okay, and what are the applications and uses of CRO? Okay, so thank you. For detailed basics of CRO, you refer the CRO PPT. Okay, thank you.